First thing we need to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the computer is located right here. Alright, next thing we got to do is to remove our electrical connections. A 1. And 2. Now there are 2 bolts on this bracket right here. If you want to remove those, you can. You don't have to. And then it will let you slide those wires out of the way. Now the computer is held in by 2 10mm bolts. Okay, we get the bolts out of the way. Computer is loose. And here it comes. There it is. There is your computer. Just you would think that being in there, it would be pristine. But boy, it's pretty weathered. Wow. Jeez. Well, this is New England. I don't know if it's the Salt Belt capital, but it gets hammered pretty good. So that's all there is to removing your computer from your Nissan Sentra.